What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Terrence Gibson with another awesome Aufinbank video. People, if you're not in, do your homework. People, come to the website aufinbank.com. Go through the website, Google. Go to all your scam advisors. Go to Trustpilot. We went to Trustpilot. We showed you on Trustpilot how the ranking on Trustpilot 4.8 out of 5. That's better than most stores you go to. And go to McDonald's on Trustpilot. See where their ranking is. They probably got a better ranking than most stores you go through in the first place. Matter of fact, since we just said that, let's just go there right now. Cause hopefully it's a pull up the last time I went there for just that. Okay, I know I go there for change now. Trustpilot. I go there a lot for um change now. Oh, definitely always trust in the Lord with all your heart. Don't never forget that part. All right, let me see. PLT. Let me see. I just looked at it. All right, let's just go to Trustpilot. Let's see if it works like this. I had a direct link, so now we're gonna just go to Aufinbank. Trustpilot, Aufinbank. Here are your results for Aufinbank, Aufinbank.com. 4.8. 4.8. Great and excellent. No average, no poor, no bad. Great and excellent. 4% people say great. 96% people say excellent. Believe me, there's a way to make a person feel like they didn't let's see. This may say the 4. Okay. Digital bank couldn't be any easier. Digital banking couldn't be any easier. I've tried to test off a bank and benefits I got from an investment program. It's just mind blowing. Thank you so much for easy blanket. I know I'll continue. What? Why would you put a you know what? Aufinbank recommended safe, reliable, profitable investment. Thank you, Aufinbank. Okay. The bank is very safe, responsible, and its services are top. Aufinbank, I have obtained many net benefits, and I thought I mentioned, okay, their customer support is another level since they attend to you and answer any questions. These are the 4s. Okay. I don't know what to tell you on this. We're just gonna leave this alone. We're gonna go back. Those are the 4s. I mean, you can't please everybody. You know, some people just probably was reading it with a frown. I don't know. Maybe had a bad day and just wanted to give a a review at the same time and just didn't want to give them a 5. I don't know, but do those look like 4s to you? It's like these should be flat for being too good to be a 4. But anyway, it doesn't matter. 4.8 obviously would be a 5 if these few jokers would have got their stuff together. But let's go to let's even see if McDonald's has one. McDonald's.com. What is happening? I just seen McDonald's. And there's one. Hold on, what the heck is that? McDonald's? Donald's. There we go. Let's see what their rating is. Poor 2.2. Everybody goes there. 2.2. All right, let's go. Let's go to my homeboy's chick. Let's see. They better have a 5. Let somebody shit. You mean I go there all the time and don't know how to spell it? I know it's like chick. La fila fi fila. We'll have fun with this. You know what? Google it. Chick. There we go. Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A. Okay. C-K. There we go. They better be like 5.0. What? You know what? So we got a 4.8 and Chick-fil-A got a 1.9. I don't even we're not even gonna do this no more. Let's just keep on moving. Let's do my bank. What? They got Bank America 1.4. You know what? We're gonna do that just for them. Let's do that. I mean, I gotta go ahead and get them some props. All right, so let's get back to the video, people. I mean, I've been trying to, this is just working out too well. This is Trustpilot. These are the people. The people tell you how the people feel. And golly, I couldn't get past a 2 on some of the biggest names. And we at 4.8 with almost 100 views. It wasn't like one person viewed it and we got it. We had 96 views, or 96 plus the 4 makes that. So that's where we're at. Okay. All right. So let's go back. Aufinbank. All the great things that we have: savings account, checking account, personal account, fixed account, traditional account, retirement account, joint account, banking, personal banking, business banking, commercial banking, investors. That's what I am. About us, who we are, careers, valuable persons. If you want to work for them, you would have to probably move to near their location, which looks beautiful when you go to Google around there. I mean, obviously every downtown area looks good. I'm sure the rest of it looks good too. It's just, I'm from Philly. My downtown area looks pretty exciting, but when you start going outside of it, it just changes. You know what I'm saying? Well, obviously, let me take that back. University of Penn has been buying up a lot of stuff outside of it. So it's probably a little good around outside the rims of it. But when you get back to the hood is the hood. Let's just put it that way. The hood is the hood. Create account, access account. Then once you access your account, you'll come into your back office and it'll look like this. And then you just click back office and then you'll see they're still putting them jokers on. I don't think they're going to move that. Aufinbank bankrupt, and then they try to say they was Aufinbank. So we got 189 in the bank, in the balance. Why do we have 189? We only could take out 10% of what we withdrew yesterday. And the 137 that we drew hit my bank account yesterday. I think we did the video, well, whatever. It hit it early. Let me see. I'll just go to my email so I can show you when it hit. Where is... Okay, yeah, this was me looking at the, it came at 143. I think I did the video yesterday around 11, 12. So it came like almost in 2 hours. I think I did the video, depending on whatever time I did the video yesterday. The bottom of my time is always showed in the screen. So it came in about, I want to say about 2 hours. I want to be direct. I don't want to just say I think it came at a certain time. Let's just say I did this video 23 hours ago. Let's get past this awesome ad. 11:46 is when the video started. So if I got it at 1:43, that means it was less than 2 hours. Right math, right? 11, 12, 1. Yeah, okay. Less than 2 hours I got the my deposit in. So that's good to know. I'm not going to play this whole video, but this is the video from yesterday. But I do want to I love that picture. It just doesn't represent the Aufinbank. Yeah, that one does. No, I love that picture. Let's go, and we're going to go ahead and, okay, that's that. I save that out of there. Go back. Pull this back over here. So we're going to do another withdrawal. First we're going to try to see, I haven't did this yet, so we're going to try to do this one. Let's see how do we transfer personal to traditional. Let's just see if we can do that right here and transfer to my other accounts. So transfer from personal account to so meaning you might have to personal to savings and to fixed. So you only get transferred to those. Let me see if there's anything else back here that allows you to transfer the money around. Because there's a lot of reasons why they don't allow you to have your commissions traded over there. Let me see. Okay. Obviously, we want to let that grow a little bit before we can touch it. I can't remember if there's a minimum withdrawal. I gotta figure that out because you can withdraw from your personal, but you only can take 10%. So what's the sense of taking $18? I'll just let it grow and leave that there. So we'll see that there. So what we'll do is we'll come back here, 169. So we'll do it's almost $17. So we'll just do $17 because it's almost 170. So take $17 off. We can take out 152. So we'll withdraw 152. So we'll come to withdrawal. That was ours from yesterday. And it's the new one. So see how it grows. It's going to grow every day because now you can take out more because you got to leave something in there. So it really works out for you. You know what I'm saying? It works out for you. 2 payment. No, we're gonna use USDT. We're gonna move it over here because for some reason it shows my pin. And then we're gonna withdraw. Oh, did it go away? Okay, all my stuff went away. So now it says your withdrawal will be processed immediately and funds since your withdrawal account wallet. So I say they said 2 to 12 hours about everything. I'll just say 12 hours. So if it comes to 12 hours, I'm going to be happy. If it comes during that time frame on Sunday, because I'm doing it in the morning around this. Actually, I kind of did it the same time I did it yesterday. So if their offices are pretty much open at this time, it'll probably come within the same time frame. But, we know they're paying, so I'm not even worried about it or hassled about it. So this will be our second withdrawal from Aufinbank. If you go back to the back office, you can see it's only $37 there now. You got the 20 and the 17 we left because we couldn't touch that because you only can do 10% at a time. And then also if you want to see exactly what you have going on, you got your transaction process. We got 5,100 in there. We got 14 days. We've already earned $306. So we're withdrawing. We withdraw to 130. Let's go to it real quick. The 137 and 152. So you got 9, 8, 289 so far. It's on its way back to the account. So that's active and pending. So I guess when it says active, meaning it already came. It's just active kind of sounds like, pending to me, but I got it. So obviously active mean active. It's right here in my I don't know if you would be able to see it. Let me see. If you can see that. But that's it. Oh, I know what to do. Let's do this. Button. There we go. So it came in tether yesterday, and I don't know if you can see the time. I'm looking at my other camera to see. There we go. 143. There you go. Right there. That's the tether that came in yesterday. So it's doing this thing. I'll go back to my background. There we go. It's doing this thing. So hey, people, Aufinbank. Like, subscribe. I mean, all you gotta do is go use my referral link. So the people are definitely coming in the building. All they have to do is, start funding. So we're just gonna keep growing, growing and growing and growing. This link I'll put out there. It might be a bit.ly link because YouTube, Google, everybody start bogging down your links. So your links just stop working. So we'll just use a bit.ly link to keep it working. So it won't be just keep beating up our Aufinbank link. All right, beautiful people, like, subscribe, rock that bell, join our teams. Your boy Terrence Gibson. Do your homework, do your homework, do your homework. Join us. Let's go. God bless.